never like the cold in NYC. I'd rather like the tropical Miami. So come spend Christmas by the sea and have a happy warm holiday with me. Instead of snowflakes, we can dance on the sand.